Assalamwalaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sania. तो आज का जो मेरा वीडियो है वो है कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनका मैं जवाब दूँ जो मोस्टली पूछा जाता है मुस्लिम गर्ल्स मुस्लिम वुमेन से। तो आज मैं उसका जवाब दूँगी। इसमें से एक दो क्वेश्चन बहुत क्लियर। So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do like, comment and share. And subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new updates. And yep, इस वीडियो के बाद जो कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछने होंगे वो ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट करो। First question is, do your parents allow you for higher studies? Yes, my parents allow me to do what I want. Next, when you will be get married, girls in your caste get married soon. No. When I feel to get married, then I will. And Islam में हमेशा लड़कियों को भी rights दी जाती है. So what's happening? Parents and husband allow you to do job after marriage? Simple. I will marry a person who allow me to do job after marriage. Next. Will you wear burqa after marriage? It's all my wish. If I want to wear, question asked by my teacher in college. The question was, do you able to hear anything while wearing hijab or headscarf? What? Yes, I am able to hear everything while wearing this hijab and scarf. Because hijab and scarf is a part of a cloth and cloth doesn't block any noise, so I can. The next question, do you tolerate hijab in such a weather like summer? This is little bit tough because we should have to cover all our face and body with a cloth. But in summers we use different type of material of scarf like cotton and teach me how to wrap it around your head. This question was asked by a lot of people, a lot of non-Muslim girls and also by my friends too. Yes, I can teach you. But I will take 500 rupees as a fee. The next weird question. How you cannot eat mutton being a Muslim? This is my choice, yaar. Even I want to eat a junk food, vegetarian, non-veg, it's all my choice. Next question. Don't you feel oppressed in your religion? No, I don't. The next one and the last. Can we see your hair? Yes, of course you can see my hair.